Check out my business website too.
In this demo, I supply an Office script solution that generates passwords that adhere to in-house company rules. I have created a script that accepts 6 parameters as follows: password length, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, alphabetical sequence of letters, numerical sequence of numbers, and, finally, special characters. I have included the script as well as the workbook in the accompanying GitHub repo. I hope you made good use of this script. Let's see it in action now.
Check out my business website too.